Once we restore mobility, the next critical step is building stability, and this is where most people see huge gains. Performance experts know your core, pelvis, and shoulder blades need to act as a stable platform so your mobile joints can do their job. Without that stability, you leak power, lose posture in your swing, and put extra stress on your lower back and joints. That's why our rehabilitation programs at Dynamic Health and Performance focus on targeted stability. We use exercises like bird dogs, rotational planks, and scapular control, just to name a few, to strengthen and coordinate the right muscles. These aren't random workouts, they're chosen based on your specific movement assessment, so you build control exactly where your body needs it. Chiropractic care supports this by keeping your joints aligned, allowing those stabilizing muscles to fire correctly without interference. Payoff is incredible. Better balance, more consistent swings, fewer aches and pains after a round, and a stronger, more resilient body overall. Stability isn't flashy, but it's what turns good movement into great, lasting performance.